Matthew Creekkiller and Jacob Foreman are cousins who grew up playing sports together. The latest sport they've mastered is cornhole, making it all the way to pro status. Matthew and Jacob have their eyes on the prize and have set their sights on being the #1 cornhole team in the country.
What I've learned from cornhole is you gotta be patient and you gotta work hard. Because if you don't work hard and you don't be patient, you're not gonna be good at this game.
The game is 90% mental and 10% skill. So you gotta be able to, when you miss a bag, you can't get mad. You just gotta keep moving on to the next bag and just keep trying to put them in the hole.
My name is Matthew Creekkiller and I'm a professional cornhole player for the American Cornhole League.
My name is Jacob Foreman and I am also an ACL pro.
Ever since we were 4 or 5 years old, we've been playing like Little League baseball and basketball and all that, and then cornhole just came around and we started playing that together too. So on my 18th birthday, my sister actually brought like Walmart boards down to the house and he was there, so we all just started playing on that.
We are here in Osiyo, Oklahoma, and this is where I live. We also have a shop on our property where we practice cornhole.
So we are both competitive. Like before cornhole, we played Indian marbles, and I think we really wanted to get good at that. So that's where the competitiveness comes from. Yeah, our families would like get together and we'd have a group of like 20 people out there playing marbles. Cherokee people, I think playing cornhole together is just no different as playing marbles together. It brings us together, and we're here to have a good time. So in 2020, during the pandemic, we went to Tahlequah to just play cornhole, and they had a league up there, so we started going like every week.
We was just out traveling, playing in different tournaments and different leagues, and just trying to get good enough to become a pro.
So the way cornhole is played, the boards are 27 feet apart from the front of the board to the front of the board. And then if you make a bag on the board, that's 1 point. If you make it in the hole, that's 3 points. Whoever makes it to 21 first wins the game.
Really, the technique to throwing is it's your own style of throwing. Just like in baseball, you got like sidearm pitchers and stuff like that. There's people that throw in between their legs. There's people that they have different grips that they use. Everyone just has their own unique throw. In the 2021 to 2022 cornhole season is when we became ACL pros.
In doubles, we're actually ranked 11th in the world, and in singles, I'm ranked 7th. Making cornhole a full-time job, I think we're almost there. It's like we put in the work, and I think we're one of the best teams in the world.
So DC Cornhole is the name of our team. Then my mom just become like the manager, I guess you could say, over DC Cornhole, and she started getting like the cornhole jerseys, the hats, the stocking caps, and all that stuff just to try and get DC Cornhole out there and become a team name.
So Jacob and Matthew, they're cousins. They're 9 months apart. Matthew's 20, Jacob's 19. They grew up together their whole life. They played baseball, Indian marbles, basketball, all that together. We never thought we would be playing professional cornhole together, but here we are. I'm definitely proud of them. They've accomplished a lot in their first year as a rookie season. Matthew's won a national. In singles, Jacob and Matthews was runner-up in a national event against the #1 team in the world. They've come a long way. The World Championship is in Rock Hill, South Carolina in August. I'm definitely hoping to see them in the top 4 of that. They can do it.
The World Championships is just basically like another national, but for us it's double points as pros. So if you go there as a pro, it's double points and it will count towards your seeding, like your overall seeding at the end of the year.
I think after our first national, we was ranked 50 or 60 something. Then after the last 2, we went from that to number 11. So you can climb really fast if you are doing really good.
We don't get to come to a lot of the big events, but I'm so happy to be able to be here at the Worlds and to see, I mean, this is amazing. It's awesome. So I'm so happy to be able to be here. We try to go to some of the local stuff, you know, as much as we can, but yeah, if we're not here, I have 2 phones ready to go. and we are on the Score Zone looking at stuff. We're watching live feeds. Shauna texts me updates. So if I'm not here, I'm just sitting on my porch watching everything.
As long as we both throw good, I think we'll be just fine. I think we'll be able to make a good run this weekend.
You will. Yeah, I think so too. You guys are locked in and ready to go, and grind time, right?
It's like I always say, they got to beat you, so have that confidence. You got this.
Yep, you got
I mean,
this.
you guys know how each other plays, so you got no worries.
So this year at the World Championships, we came into Worlds as the 10th ranked team in the country, and then we came out the number 8th. So I think we did pretty good overall. As far as the main goal of being professional cornhole players, I think we are one step closer just because of how high we were ranked, and being rookies, that's pretty good.
So for this upcoming season, we got about a month break or so. So now we'll start going to to opens and try and get our points up so we can just try and have better seeds at these tournaments that we go to.
So the season's over. We had a pretty good year, strong performances as rookies, and we're ready for the next one.
Them as a team, I believe they are a really good team, and I believe that they can possibly win a national title. That is what I'm hoping for them. And I know in their mind, they're wanting the same thing. So each day they're out here throwing, trying to get better at their shots and everything.
We've gotten a lot of support from our sponsors, obviously, and our family, our friends.
Having that kind of support is definitely motivating, and it makes you want to keep working hard just so you can make them proud. As of the future for us, I think it's just more cornhole and just trying to stay on the grind and get better and try to win a world title.